All right, here's my salsa recipe. Sorry, the camera work isn't the best. Get yourself some yellow chilies. Take out the seeds. I have children, they don't like the hotness. Get some garlic ready. Now, I do this all by just feel. I don't really have measurements for anything, but I just kind of do it by feel. Put some V8 juice in there. That's the secret recipe. And blend it smooth. I got the Ninja, so it chops it up, blends it. Get yourself a big container. I got mine at Smart and Final. Chop up your cilantro. One bunch is all I used. And then I used 4 large tomatoes. You can use the little Roma tomatoes if you like. Get all the seeds out of those. Chop those all up. Throw those in there. I use pink onion. You can use yellow or white onion. You chop those up as well and get those in there. The onion or the tomatoes take the longest. I like my little chopper cheater. I got it from Pamper Press. Pamper Chef, yeah. I put some lime in there. The beer's for me, not the salsa. Added the mixture, mixed it all up, and decided I needed some more V8 juice, so I added more. And then I tasted it. It turned out great. Be sure to salt to taste, and then I added a little serrano pepper in there too because it needed a little bit of heat to make it that much better. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps out. Thank you and have a great day.